Hey guys, this side Kunal from backdrop.com. This video is all about how to reset network settings or how to reset network settings on any Android device. Yes, you can follow this on this Samsung device or any Samsung or any brand smartphone including Motorola, Xiaomi, Huawei and 15 others given in the description. So check the description first. Now here is what you need to do. First of all, scroll up and here you have to open the device settings. Now you have to open the device settings. As you can see right here, you have to scroll down and tap on general management. So this is specially for Samsung devices. Then tap on reset and here you would find the reset network settings and here is the reset button. So here is the reset network settings button. So simply tap on this button to reset the network settings. And don't be sad guys, here is how you can do it on any Android device. So simply tap on the search bar and here you have to search for the reset network and it would show the reset network settings. This can be applicable on any Android device including LG, Motorola, Xiaomi, Huawei and obviously 15 others. However, some devices supports some different settings. For LG, Motorola, Oneplus, it supports, like, first of all, open the mobile settings. Okay, then you have to scroll down, tap on the systems, then tap on advanced settings and then tap on the reset tab. Okay, in the reset tab you would find the reset network settings reset option. Tap on it and then tap on reset. This would reset network settings on the devices which I mentioned earlier on. So this is how you can do it, and don't forget, we are from backdrop.com and kindly visit it. We have a dedicated guide for every single device to reset network settings. It's a bye from Kunal. I will see you again, not with any issue.